In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly remove a background in Photopea using a simple built-in tool that makes the process fast and beginner-friendly. If you've ever wanted to cut out a person, product, or object from a photo without spending forever making manual selections, this is going to save you a lot of time. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photopea in your browser and load the image you want to edit. You can do this by dragging and dropping the photo into the workspace or by using the File menu to open it from your computer. Once your image is on the canvas, take a moment to make sure it's selected and ready for editing. This part matters because Photopea will apply the background removal to the image you currently have open. Next, go to the top menu bar and click Select, then choose Remove BG. This is the feature that tells Photopea to automatically detect your subject and separate it from the background. When you click it, a pop-up may appear asking, "Watch a short ad to use this premium feature." Simply click OK to continue. This is part of the process, so don't worry if you see that message. After that, let the short ad play. While the ad is running, Photopea is preparing the background removal tool in the background, so just wait until it finishes. Once the ad ends, give it a few extra seconds for the AI to analyze the image. Photopea will then isolate your subject and remove the background for you. Depending on the photo, this may happen very quickly, and in some cases you'll see a clean cutout almost instantly. If the subject has clear edges and good contrast, the result is usually even better. After the background is removed, take a moment to check the cutout on the canvas. If everything looks good, the final step is exporting it properly so you keep that transparent background. To do that, go to File, then Export As, and choose PNG. This is important because PNG supports transparency, unlike formats such as JPG. If you save it as a JPG, the removed background will not stay transparent, so always use PNG when you want to preserve the cutout. Once you export the file, save it to your computer and you're done. You now have a clean, transparent image ready to use in thumbnails, designs, product mockups, social media graphics, or anywhere else you need a background-free photo. And that's how to quickly remove a background in Photopea in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.